ऑलराइट दोस्तों, अन्नार्की व्लॉग्स हियर। आज हमारे साथ में विपिन माविन बाय द वे, एंड वी आर हियर टू राइड द Tata Tiago JTP versions. That's the JM Tata performance version of this. So coming towards the specifications and stuff, this thing comes close to 115 horsepower and 150 Newton meter of torque. Yes, you heard me right. This thing has 150 Newton meters of torque. That is something amazing. Plus, we just got to ride it on the highway and the power on it is just crazy. At least for a hatchback in this category, this is a very unique car, to be honest. And this thing has a double barrel exhaust as well. Plus, this has also got LED DRLs, projector lamp version, and also has a halogen lamp up front. Has a fog lamp out here. They have not skimped on any of these. The honeycomb design has been totally inspired from the Lambos. Man, these guys have a lot of fan following towards the Lambos there. They also have vents over here which are actually working ones. They are not fake. They do have vents out in the side as well. Let's just check the interior for you guys. So this is the Tata Tiago JTP for you all. Even though this is a Tata, this is the sportier version of it, and it's really good. It has got red accents everywhere. It's totally blacked out from the inside. Even the A-pillar side, that is the doors, even they are red. There are some pretty cool quirks and features of this which I'll just show you in a while. The plastic bits are something which actually annoy me a lot, and this is something really cool. Ta-da! That's really soft and smooth. It doesn't open with a bang. Here's one small thing which you wouldn't find usually in any of them. What is that? That's a hook. You can use it for placing anything or hanging something inside. Pretty neat. This also has a USB here and an aux cable and a typical 12-volt socket out here. The AC is pretty cool but sucks in a lot of power, to be honest with you all. Here's the gauge cluster, which is really sporty, to be honest, and has a lot of JTP brandings all over the place. Here's one. Here's one, and even the seats have JTP branding on them with hexagons all over the place. Damn, these guys are fans of Lambos. The rear seats aren't bad at all. You can actually fit in there without feeling too compacted or crushed. There are a lot of cup holders out here. 1, 2, I don't know what is this for. Maybe you can put probably a small can or something. And here's a big cup holder as well. This doesn't come with rear AC vents, but definitely comes with these big vents out here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and these are Fox vents, false ones. These don't work. Actually comes with electronically adjustable side view mirrors as well. Best part is these come with Harman Kardon sound system, 4 speakers and 4 tweeters, so this is really good. I'll tell you one more thing, this also has fancy pedals. So much for 8.5 lakhs. Now coming up with the hood, we'll just pop it open. Thanks to Vipin, he's helping me out with everything. Man, that's a big engine.
Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah man, this looks pretty good. I'll tell you one thing, that's the Budh International Circuit for you guys. That's a pretty neat feature if you ask me. Something coming from an Indian brand, giving a bit of Indian touch to it. Not the Desi way, but a bit more sportier for all you guys. You can see this is the turbocharged unit out here. A large intercooler as well, and the radiator fan coming quite low and deep. The vents are pretty big, and I really love the way this has been styled more radically compared to the regular Tiago. This thing needs 2 people to do this. I don't like that. The wheels are 15-inch alloys, comes with Apollo radials. Not a very big boot, but definitely it's good for a hatchback. 242 liters capacity. Yep, it's good enough. And also has something out here. What is this, bro?
Not sure, man. Maybe some secret spot to keep your stuff.
Probably yeah. James Bond would keep something there.
Yeah, it's a spot to keep, place to keep some stuff.
So rob some space, nice. Totally. But it's pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty huge as well, see?
It goes in deep.
Yeah, you can fit a dead body, no problem. The only thing I don't like about this is the infotainment is not that big, but it's okay, manageable, I guess. Also, it has sport mode, city mode. So right now we're in city mode, but we'll test it out later.
This is about the Tata Tiago from the outside, and the interiors I've already shown you. So I would really give a huge shout out to Adi Shakti Cars for giving us this car to test ride today, and to Vipin as well for joining us with the ride. Let's see how the car rides.
Yeah. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy.
So guys, this is the Tiago for you all, and how does it feel to drive, bro?
Amazing, amazing, amazing. If you know someone in the showroom or something, if you want us to test drive your cars, do let us know.
You can check the showroom if you want. This is Tata Motors Adi Shakti 1.
Something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.
So alright guys, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is the Tata Tiago JTP version for you all, the tuned up version of it. It's crazy and it was a lot of fun riding it and going around with Vipin out here. Ghanti ka button dabana na bhuliega bas. See you then.